सहनो भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। जय जय विद्या भवन भारती जय जय विद्या भवन हमारा ज्ञान कर्म की ज्योति जगाधा अमृतमय विद्या सरसाधा याम जगत कल्याण सुधा की बहे प्रेम रस धारा। जय जय विद्या भवन भारती जय जय विद्या भवन हमारा भारत संस्कृति कला निकेतन विकासाद साहित्य सनातन नम विज्ञान कला कौशल का पावन मंदिर प्यारा पावन मंदिर प्यारा पावन मंदिर प्यारा।
Freedom is not something that you must deserve. It is something that you naturally get, and no one has the right to take it away from you. Let us celebrate our freedom. Namaste and a happy Independence Day to one and all. Respected Principal, Honorable Chief Guest, high-minded teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today is our 74th birthday of our beloved motherland. We all celebrate this day because it reminds us the duties and responsibilities towards our nation. I, Kartika of class 11C, welcome all of you on this auspicious occasion on behalf of the entire school family. To other countries, I go as a tourist, but to India, I come as a pilgrim. This quote was said by Martin Luther King. Now, this is quite enough because it shows us how India has from ages been welcoming people from various countries. In a similar manner, let us welcome Ananyata Krishna onto the stage for a welcome speech.
India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great-grandmother of tradition, said Mark Twain. Namaste to one and all. Today is a day to feel proud of our great freedom fighters. I, Ananyata Krishna of class 11B, and we, the Pavans family of Irinyalakuda, bow our heads in respect to the great leaders. I am very honored to address the welcome note here. Initially, I would like to thank all of you who have put your sincere efforts in making our online celebration of 74th Independence Day come true. Let me also thank the Social Science Department for the initiative to make this program very innovative and memorable. Let me start by welcoming our chief guest of the day, our Panchayat Ward member, Sri Vijesh. He is a very responsible representative and a frontline worker. Welcome, sir. He has been with our school, giving overwhelming support to each and every activities. I welcome him. Then, the successful journey of every institution lies in the hands of its administrators. We are Really blessed to have our chairman, Sri C. Surendran sir, our vice chairman, Sri C. Nandakumar sir, and our secretary, Sri A. S. Madhomenon sir, to correct us in each and every mistakes. Let me next welcome our principal, the lifeblood of our school, Sri Biju Giwagi sir. Welcome. Then I would like to welcome the managing committee members and PTA committee members to this auspicious function. Let me then give a very warm-hearted welcome to our Vice Principal, Srimati Shobha Shivantarajan ma'am, teaching and non-teaching staff, parents and my dear friends. We are all privileged to be born in a country where great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Rani, Mangal Pandey, Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose and many others were born. We are all privileged to be born in a country where culture, language, food and religion varies after each 50 kilometers. But still, we are all Indians. Commemorating the 74th Independence Day, our school had started the programs since 3rd of August, proving that no pandemic can lessen our patriotism. So, please enjoy the programs and let the patriot in you arise. Let me conclude my words by saying the words of Ramayana, Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargatapi Gariyasi. So, I would like to once again welcome all of you. Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ananita, for the marvelous speech. Now it's time to welcome our chairman, Mr. Surendran sir, to speak a few words on Independence Day.
Namaste. Let me at the outset compliment our principal, our vice principal, and their team of teachers, students, and parents for organizing such a days-long Independence Day celebrations when we were facing very difficult times. It once again shows our ability to withstand difficulties and face challenges. We were able to find opportunities among threats. I would like to make a special mention about the Department of Social Sciences who have organized this program. It was in the year 1947, on August 15th, India got independence from the foreign rule. It was a long struggle for Indians. So many lives were lost. Leaders were jailed for a long time. There was a total chaos. People suffered a lot. So, finally when we got independence, it was the proudest and the happiest moment for all Indians. But it had its painful experiences also. The subcontinent was torn into 3 pieces. There was an exodus between countries. There was poverty, starvation, fighting. India was facing very, very difficult situation. It is so turbulent and things were going out of hand. But the vision, the intellectual brilliance, the democratic process and the political acumen of our leaders took the country forward, and now we stand as one of the greatest countries on the globe. Thanks to the father of the nation and the leaders who followed him. Along with the freedom movement, there was yet another freedom movement was happening in the country. A disciple of Mahatma Gandhi, Sri K. M. Munshi, reverently known amongst Bhavanites as Kulapati K. M. Munshi, Bose had a different view about freedom. He was of opinion that though political freedom is to come, it is necessary that Indians should get freedom from social, cultural and educational domination by the foreigners. Long years of foreign domination has either destroyed or pushed aside the valuable Indian tradition. He wanted to take out the best from the Indian traditions and merge it with the modern India, for which he approached Mahatma Gandhi, and with the blessing of Mahatma, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan was started in the year 1937. The rest is history. On this occasion, let me congratulate those who arranged this function and wish all others a wonderful Independence Day, though we are all confined to our own home. I am sure all these difficulties will be over in no time and we will be able to meet in the school premises shortly. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for sharing such a valuable speech. Now it's time to invite our chief guest, Mr. Vijay sir, who is a ward member, onto the stage.
നമസ്കാരം, ഞാൻ VH വിജീഷ്, വേളൂക്കര ഗ്രാമപഞ്ചായത്ത് 1-ാം വാർഡ് മെമ്പറാണ്. ഓഗസ്റ്റ് 15 നാം സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യദിനം ആഘോഷിക്കുകയാണ്. നമുക്കറിയാം, ബ്രിട്ടീഷ് സാമ്രാജ്യത്വത്തിൽ നിന്നും ഇന്ത്യ മോചിതമായിട്ട് 73 വർഷങ്ങൾ പിന്നിടുന്നു. 1947 ഓഗസ്റ്റ് മാസം 15-ാം തീയതി ഇന്ത്യയുടെ പ്രഥമ പ്രധാനമന്ത്രി പണ്ഡിറ്റ് ജവഹർലാൽ നെഹ്റു ഇന്ത്യ ബ്രിട്ടീഷ് സാമ്രാജ്യത്വത്തിൽ നിന്നും സ്വതന്ത്രമായി എന്ന് ചെങ്കോട്ടയിൽ പ്രഖ്യാപിച്ചിട്ട് വർഷങ്ങൾ പിന്നിടുകയാണ്. എന്നാൽ ഇന്ന് നാം മറ്റൊരു വലിയ പ്രതിരോധത്തിലാണ്. ഒരുപക്ഷെ ഇന്ത്യ മാത്രമല്ല, മറിച്ച് ലോകരാഷ്ട്രങ്ങളാകമാനം COVID-19 വൈറസിനെതിരായിട്ടുള്ള വലിയ പ്രതിരോധം തീർത്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഒരു പൊതുപ്രവർത്തകൻ എന്ന രീതിയിൽ എന്നെയും ഈ വൈറസ് ബാധിച്ചു. ഒരുപക്ഷെ പൊതുസമൂഹത്തിൽ നിന്നും ലഭിച്ച വലിയ പിന്തുണയാണ് ആ വൈറസിനെ അതിജീവിക്കാൻ എനിക്ക് സാധിച്ചത്. പക്ഷേ ആ രീതിയിൽ തന്നെയാണോ നമ്മുടെ സമൂഹത്തിൽ COVID-19 രോഗബാധിതരെ സമൂഹം കാണുന്നത് എന്ന് നാം ഒന്ന് പരിശോധിക്കണം. കാരണം ബ്രിട്ടീഷ് സാമ്രാജ്യത്വത്തെ നാം ഒരുമയോടെ, ഒത്തൊരുമയോടെ, ഉറച്ച മനസ്സോടെയാണ് പ്രതിരോധിച്ചത്. അതിൻ്റെ ഫലമായാണ് നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പോൾ കാണുന്ന ഈ സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം ലഭിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. എന്നാൽ COVID-19 ബാധിതർക്ക് ഒരുപക്ഷെ ഭയത്തിൻ്റെ പേരിലെങ്കിലും ചെറിയ അവഗണന സമൂഹത്തിൽ നിന്നും ലഭിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് എന്ന് എനിക്ക് തിരിച്ചറിയാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. എന്നാൽ സർക്കാർ പറയുന്നത് പോലെ രോഗിയോടല്ല, രോഗത്തെയാണ് നാം ചെറുത്തു തോൽപ്പിക്കേണ്ടത്. രോഗിയുടെ വീട്ടിലുള്ളവർക്ക് ഭക്ഷണം ലഭിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ, ആ വീട്ടിലുള്ള പ്രായമായവർക്ക് മരുന്ന് ലഭിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ എന്ന് ഉറപ്പുവരുത്തേണ്ടത് നാം ഓരോരുത്തരുമാണ്. ഒരുപക്ഷെ നാളെ നമ്മുടെ വീട്ടിലായിരിക്കാം ഈ ഒരു സാഹചര്യം ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്. അപ്പോഴും സമൂഹം നമ്മോടൊപ്പം നിൽക്കണമെങ്കിൽ അത്തരത്തിൽ നാം നമ്മുടെ ചുറ്റുവട്ടത്ത് പ്രവർത്തിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാകണം. നമ്മുടെ സർക്കാരും ആരോഗ്യ പ്രവർത്തകരും പോലീസും പൊതുസമൂഹം ഒന്നടങ്കം ഈ മഹാമാരിയെ ചെറുക്കാനുള്ള വലിയ പരിശ്രമത്തിലാണ്. അവിടെ നമ്മുടെ ഒരു ചെറിയ കൈപ്പിഴവ് കൊണ്ട് അവരുടെ ആ ലക്ഷ്യത്തെ പുറകോട്ടടിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് എങ്കിൽ അത് നമ്മുടെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ കുറ്റമായി കാണേണ്ടി വരും. പ്രിയമുള്ളവരെ, ഈ പോരാട്ടത്തിൽ ഒരുപക്ഷെ നമ്മുടെ വേഗത കുറയ്ക്കുന്നുണ്ട് എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് ഇതുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട കള്ളപ്രചരണങ്ങളിൽ നിന്നുമാണ്. തെറ്റായ വാർത്തകൾ സമൂഹത്തിൽ പ്രചരിപ്പിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള വലിയ പോരാട്ടത്തിൽ വിജയത്തിലേക്കെത്താനുള്ള വേഗത കുറയ്ക്കപ്പെടുകയാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഈ സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യദിനത്തിൽ ഈ മഹാമാരിക്കെതിരായിട്ടുള്ള വലിയ പോരാട്ടം നമ്മുടെ ഓരോരുത്തരുടെയും അതിജീവനത്തിൻ്റെ കൂടിയാണ് എന്ന തിരിച്ചറിവ് നമുക്കുണ്ടാകണം. ജീവൻ്റെ വിലയുള്ള ജാഗ്രത കാണിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഇത്തവണ നാം സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യദിനം ആഘോഷിക്കണം. ഒപ്പം നാടിൻ്റെ നന്മയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഒത്തൊരുമിച്ച് കൈകോർക്കണം. നമുക്കറിയാം, ഏതൊരു മഹാമാരിയെയും ചെറുക്കാൻ നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിലുള്ളവർ ജാതിയുടെയോ മതത്തിൻ്റെയോ വർഗത്തിൻ്റെയോ വർണ്ണത്തിൻ്റെയോ പണത്തിൻ്റെയോ എല്ലാ അതിർവരമ്പുകളും മാറ്റിവെച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഒത്തൊരുമിക്കുന്ന ഒരു വലിയ പാരമ്പര്യം നമുക്കുണ്ട്. ആ പാരമ്പര്യം ഈ പോരാട്ടത്തിലും നമുക്ക് തുണയാകട്ടെ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട്, ഈ മഹാമാരിയെ ചെറുക്കാൻ എല്ലാവർക്കും സാധിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് ആഗസ്റ്റ് 15 എല്ലാവർക്കും എല്ലാവിധ നന്മകളും നേർന്നുകൊണ്ട് സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യദിനാശംസകൾ നേർന്നുകൊണ്ട് നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you, Vijesh sir, for spending your valuable time with us. Now it's time to welcome our Vice Chairman, Mr. Nandakumar sir.
Hi Bhavanites, a very good morning to one and all. I am really happy to be in front of you after a very long time, that also on this auspicious occasion of our 74th Independence Day of our country. Blessed we all are who were born in an independent India. Can you visualize the situation before 1947 when Britishers were ruling us? That time we were not permitted to do whatever we wanted to do. We were asked to do whatever they wanted. We were asked to learn whatever they wanted us to learn. Even we were asked to say the prayers for the welfare of the Queen of England than for the welfare of our own King of Cochin or King of Maharaja. Of course, after a prolonged struggle of almost 90 years, we were able to achieve the freedom from the Britishers, and now we are a free country. Let us not forget the sacrifices put in by our forefathers for achieving this. Even though we call it as a Raktarahita Viplavam, we all know thousands and thousands of people have sacrificed their life for this noble cause. At this juncture, let us rededicate to build a strong, independent India. As a student, let us do our duty, that study well and try to be a very good, responsible, good citizen with having all the good qualities a student should have, and let us have passion for our friends and relatives and our fellow countrymen. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now let us welcome our Honorable Principal, Mr. Vijay G. Varghese, onto the stage and share a few words with us.
Namaste. Today we are celebrating our Independence Day, the great day of our arise from slavery to freedom. Years back, when we stepped forward in unity, no guns were capable of stopping us. No tear gas can made us cry. The only spirit was Bharat, Bharat, Hamara Bharat. Beyond the feelings of religion, beyond the feelings of caste and creed, the only spirit was Bharat, Bharat, Hamara Bharat. Let this spirit of unity guides us, makes us move ahead. Let every Indian enjoy the charisma of freedom in every aspect and every moment. Let everyone in the world smells the fragrance of freedom. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Now it's time to welcome our Vice Principal, Mrs. Shobha Shivananda Rajan, onto the stage.
Good morning, children. Good morning, India. In 2020, we complete 73 years as an independent nation. I wish you, dear children, long life and good health, and pray that you see as many more Independence Day celebrations, colourful, grand and splendid as they should be. Let this day mark a turning point in our war with the unseen enemy. Let it pave the way for India's victory against the pandemic. We are bound to remember those who fought for our freedom on this day. Indeed, our hearts go up in prayer for those noble souls. Without them, India would never have seen this day. But you must understand that freedom is an abstract concept, and it is important that you use it wisely. Always let intelligence guide you in life, and let it work hand in hand with your conscience. It is a combination that will never fail you. Your education shines through when you prove that you can entertain a thought without accepting it. Our strength lies in you. Look around you. We should work towards the betterment of this country, which we hold dear. Listen to the cries of the needy. See God within you, and you will recognize Him in the weak and the poor and the old. Do your best to lift the downtrodden, regardless of caste, creed and religion, and lift India. Your teachers would love to see you build this nation, raise it so high that it would be impossible for anyone to look down their noses at an Indian. Dear children, we belong to a generation you are not a part of. But we gift you this that we hold precious, and that is the land of our birth, India. Hold her to your hearts and let no harm befall her. I end my words quoting Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now let's welcome our PTA President, Mr. Sukumaran sir, onto the stage.
Good morning to all. My dear students, we celebrate our Independence Day today. This is a very auspicious day to us, and we remember the great sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Today, as you all of you know, that we are going through a tough situation with the COVID-19 pandemic. We should be safe, and we will surely overcome the situation, and we can enjoy the cheerful, beautiful, normal school days soon. Till then, we have to be safe. Enjoy with your parents the online classes, and we hope that we can meet in our school campus soon. The Bharati Vidyavan PTA wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. Ellavarum sukhamayirikka, ellavarum santoshamayrikka. Jai Hind.
Now that was a short and very informative speech. So thank you, sir, for being there with us. Now I actually feel very privileged to invite my teacher, Mrs. Chitra Unnikrishnan, the HOD of Social Science Department, onto the stage and to speak a few words.
Namaste. Happy Independence Day to one and all. India is celebrating the 74th Independence Day today. The independence that we are all enjoying today is the struggle, the hard work and sacrifice of thousands. The lesson that it has taught us is perseverance and determination will only bring success. Students, as you know today, the world is affected by the pandemic. Let's all stay together, be optimistic, move forward with courage and understand that tough times do not last, but tough people do. Jai Hind.
Thanks a lot, miss. Life is like a camera. We focus on what's important. We capture the good moments. We develop on the negative ones, and if things don't work out, we take another shot. Now it's time to welcome Aparna of class 11C for a word of thanks.
A warm and graceful morning to our most valued guests, management, PTA committee, respected principal, vice principal, worthy teachers, parents and my dear friends. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose the vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion. Independence Day in India is celebrated with high zeal, spirit and great dedication on 15th August every year. Every particle of the atmosphere gets charged with the affection for the motherland on this significant day. Every year typically has a few defining moments, but the past 6 months has been tough for the whole world, with face masks becoming a familiar sight and social distancing becoming a way of life due to COVID. But for students, it has deprived us the right to come to school, witness the various joys of school life, and be a part of various events. But our school, Bharati Vidya Bhavan's Vidya Mandir, has brought out new and innovative ideas to celebrate this year's Independence Day while staying safe. Let me first start by thanking Almighty God for making the event a success even through these tough times. I thank the school for giving all of us the great opportunity to celebrate the event. I'd also like to extend my deepest thanks to all the parents for their invigorating support. On behalf of the whole school and all the students, I'd like to express my sincere thanks to our chief guest, Panchayat Ward Member Mr. Vijesh, who, despite his busy schedule, has found time to grace this occasion. Thank you, sir. Your words have indeed inspired all of us. I would also like to express my profound gratitude towards our management for the perfect logistic support and guidance extended to all of us at this function. We have been fortunate enough to be assisted by our principal, Mr. Biju sir. You have been a constant support and you have given us a lot of encouragement. Thank you, sir. I'd also like to express my thanks to our beloved Vice Principal, Mrs. Shobha Miss, for being a radiating source of energy for all of us. Thank you, Miss. No program can become successful with a single person. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated teachers of the Social Science Department. I thank the Social Science Department for this opportunity. I would also like to extend my thanks to our PTA executive who graced us with his presence and guidance. Thank you, sir, for sharing with us your words of wisdom. We express gratefulness to all the teachers and staff members who organized the event from planning to execution. Last but not least, I thank the students for their enthusiastic cooperation in making the event a resounding success. I once again thank everyone in making today's program a great success. Now, we'll have various cultural programs presented by our students in connection with this year's Independence Day. I hope everyone will enjoy the upcoming vibrant and colorful performances.